Okay, guys, let's begin now. We'll go through the basics. So, this is our custom-made trading strategy. These charts will move only once one single price point moves. So, if you want to look at that visually, here's the current market price. You can see right here. And now it's going to either keep going down one by one, or it's going to reverse up to here and make a green candle like this one. And then it's going to go one by one like that for every point that the market moves. Now, these are different from standard bars you see all over the internet, which are normal time-based bars. These are time-based candlesticks. So these will move when a single minute has passed, or whatever the time frame you choose, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minutes, so on. The candle will open at a certain price. You can see this is the open, and this is where it's moving, and this is the high and the low, if there is a low, which will be the wick. So these skinny lines you're seeing are the wick. That's how much the price has moved in total. And then the open is where it opened, and then the close is where it will close to move on to the next candle. So you'll see, watch this candle move. In a minute, it's going to close and open the new candle. Keep watching. See, it's currently still at the open, roughly. Let's put it side by side with ours. So every time 1 point moves on our chart, 1 point has moved here, but these will close based on time. So it doesn't matter how much time has gone by. Our candlesticks will only close once X point has moved, in this case, 1 point. Does that make sense? You'll see it's moving. Now it's moving up. Every time 1 point moves here, this 1 point will move. So this candle may have gone on for like 30 minutes doing nothing. And this would still be on the same one candle because it hasn't moved yet. One moment. Okay. And you see this is moving point by point, minute by minute, and this still has not changed candles because it has not gone the full 10-point range yet. Only once it's gone the full 10-point range will it move.